This video is instruction on doing the RP4 document. So as with the other ones, you're going to start by opening up RP3, copying it, and then you are going to paste it into RP4. And so RP4 now will look like this. As a preview to your assignment today, notice what you have. You have a source, and then you have two bits of information here. One in the words of the author, one in your words. Another one in the words of the author, and the same thing in your words. So both of these in on your RP4 basically say the same thing. And so you should have then 12 sets of these pairs, right? So we have this one here, we have one piece of data in the words of the author, same piece of data in my words, piece of data in the words of the author, same piece of data in my words. So now what you're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to write what sort of assumption or what sort of contention we can make on the basis of each of these bits of data. So in this one here, it says that in Vietnam, classes of primary school from grades 1 to 5 and secondary schools from 6 to 8 have only 2 gym classes per week, lasting for 45 minutes each, with only limited times between classes and lunch break to play outside. The time allocated for physical education classes is drastically low in comparison to regular subjects. This says about the same thing. So what the assumption I'm going to make is that there is a greater need for physical education classes, or more time needs to be set aside for physical education classes. So I'm going to type that up here. That almost sounds to me like a topic sentence, and in fact, that's what it is. So in black, I am going to write more time should be allowed for physical education classes. Okay, and so that is a topic sentence that will use one of these two as its fact. So now we're going to go down to the next fact, and remember, each pair is the same fact, right? Because you've said the same thing but in your words. So here it says, moreover, because gym lessons are considered a peripheral subject and not rated by scores, only by the teacher's remarks as good or fair, they are always deemed inferior compared with other subjects like math, literature, physics, and chemistry. Both gym teachers and students are less interested in physical training. And so I am thinking that what I can say here is that physical education should be considered as important as other subjects. Okay, so that covers this fact here. Now let's move to the next source. Now this is the source that we are not using, so we're going beyond that. Now what I'm going to do here, just to make it clear on my page, is I'm going to move this down to its own page so it's easier to see. So now our first fact, and I'll just read the paraphrase here. Even though the benefits of regular exercise are significant and well known, only a small minority of high school students engage in significant physical activity. So as my assumption or my contention here, I am going to say that too few students engage in well, wait a minute, that's restating the fact again, so I'm not going to do that. Let's go, let's say people ignore the importance. People ignore the importance of physical activity. Okay, so that then covers these two. We're going to go down here. A common plan for helping inactive students is to put them in an athletic program. So here I'm going to say, again in black, there are simple solutions to a lack of exercise. Okay, and so now I am finished. Now understand that you will need to do 12 of these in black topic sentences, one for each fact, and remember that each fact is restated here. So when you look at your document, you should, it will look like this. It will have your MLA followed by your link, topic sentence, fact, same fact, topic sentence, fact, same fact. Then you're going to have MLA, link, topic sentence, main fact, or fact, fact, topic sentence, fact, fact. And that's what it should look like. And that is RP4. Thank you very much.